Foshan Chuanglibao Packaging Machine Company Limited was established in year 2004, which located at Shanghai Bridge Side, Guidan Road, Luochun, Nanhai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. The total area of this company was 3,559 square meters. We specialize in packing machine design and manufacture. After nearly 15 years of development, our machines have been widely used for food, frozen food, daily article, disposable appliance, medical appliance, hardware, agriculture, chemistries packing. We have our own R&D department and focus on the innovation of technologies and products. Our machines have three basic functions: no product, no bag, product chopping prevention, and memory function. We have developed flexible length packaging machine with box motion cutter in 2017. And we are developing packing machines with robotic hand. We not only manufacture machines, but also provide packing solutions, including customized design and modification. Our products have been exported to Southeast Asia, Mid-East, India, South America, and East Europe, which are approved by CE certification and technical patents. We also have a professional after-sales team who provides machine installation, debugging, and comprehensive technical supports. To create personalized packing solution and build a happy family for enterprises is our company vision. For the future, we will keep devoting ourselves to improve our technologies and products. To achieve your expectations and create your profits is always our mission.